Welcome. We're going to play through Fancy Fiddles by Mark Williams. This is published by Highland Etling Publishing. Great fiddle tune based on Can't Dance Josie, or maybe you know it as Chicken on a Fence Post. Maybe you learned it on violin first and now you're playing cello for the first time. One of the things to look for is this main melody. All right? And always we're biting into the string to make sure we get this nice fiddle tune, even on cello. This kind of a sound. If you'll think about the melody while you're playing, you'll never rush and you'll never drag. And what I mean by that, look at measure 5. Okay, you have a little intro, and then you have. If you're thinking about what the violins are doing, playing the melody, then you'll be listening to them better and you'll always be able to stay with them. All right, here we go. Another little tip is you have some really fast pizzicatas that go back and forth between pizzicata and arco. What I would suggest is, two things. Practice rolling up your bow really fast. Okay, just separate that out. Okay, see how fast you can do it. Or maintain your bow hold and pluck here with your middle finger. I can pluck. You can just turn on open strings. See, I'm maintaining my bow hold. And I can go back and forth as fast as I want to. This happens down when you're going back and forth really fast there at measure 46. Boom, boom, boom. 2. All right, going on. Here we go. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, let's not start too fast. Here we go. Let's try that again. Maybe just a tad slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, click the subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time.